Knowing how to win a man's heart can be quite a challenge, as every man is different and have a vast preference. However, there are few things that every man looks for in a woman that are formulated from the beginning of time. You just need to figure out what those particular things are, so that you can incorporate them into your personality. But, if you immediately lose hope and give up, then you really won't be able to win your man's heart. Click the link in the description below this video for details. What we all need to understand is that getting a man you love can be both easy and difficult, as it really depends much on your actions and inactions. One wrong step and you'll lose him. So if you are one of the many ladies who want to learn how to win a man's heart, then the Devotion System Guide is all you need to make any guy fall in love with you. The Devotion System by Amy North offers amazing tools and methods that can help you win your man's heart in the most easiest and effective way possible. The Devotion System can be your perfect guide to make your man fall in love with you deeply and madly. It is a guide that helps women to get their dream man, and tells you all the things that you need to make him yours. This guide also teaches you how to make your man loyal, truthful, as well as completely yours forever. What makes this guide better from all other guides available in the market to win a man's heart is that it is beautifully designed by Amy North after a lot of research and studies to make this guide useful for all the ladies who are looking for help to make their man fall in love with them. There are so many unique facets of the program. Each section helps you learn something new, something useful to save your relationship and make it a strong lifelong commitment. You will master the art of using love refreshment lines on your man. You will be able to figure out what your man is thinking by merely checking out his gestures and body language. You will master the language of love methodology, which will persuade your man into believing that you are his ideal woman. Hence, he will never want another woman, ever. The Devotion System will teach you about the mind virus, which is responsible for pushing men away from their partners and lovers. You will be able to detect this virus and learn how to eliminate it once and for all. The phone frenzy technique will slyly put you in control so that your man becomes so crazy about you that he will drive you nuts with his innumerable phone calls just to hear your voice. Click the link in the description below this video for details.